thinking about it. Just automatic go over here or go over here. No?
You missed.
Oh, you're close though. I saw it.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Good morning, everything.
Morning, guys.
Everything. Maulan, guys. It's raining. It's raining. See everything, Han.
Morning, everything.
We are Mr. and Mrs. Everything. Mr. and Mrs. Everything right here.
Mr. and Mrs. Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's raining now. Basa siya, guys. Oh. It's not really like, hindi man siya sobrang, rain. It's kind of like drizzle. Is this you call drizzle? No. Still not. Okay, it's raining now. It's gonna be watery in that hole we dig in. You did.
Okay, I'll soften it up.
So, ito yung morning namin. Hindi katulad sa Pinas ang ingay na kapag umaga, di ba? Dito, ang quiet pa rin. Yung mga kapitbahay, tulog pa. Bakit tulog pa? It's Sunday. That's why. Minove ni Tami yan. I'm going to move this, be. I'm going to rearrange this.
Pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you, lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you.
Si Tamimoy. Ito yung view namin, guys. Ang sarap tignan ng ulan, oy. It's nice to listen the rain, ha?
I said it was coming with thunder and lightning.
Oh my God, thunder and lightning. Somebody's waiting. I know where you've been. You know where Roxy was when we were outside, guys. Come here, guys. Come here. Come here. She was right here, guys. Look. She's following me. Come here. She come over here. She come in the bedroom. And look at us. Looking over here. Looking over here. That's who she is. It's like picking up on us. Picking up. Oh, hala. This window is open, patay. And it's raining. Mahilig talaga itong si Tami mag-open ng window. And then pag mag-ulan, hindi niya alam na naka-open. Papasok yung ulan dito. Kaluka talaga. Yes. Pipiyasok yung ulan. Good morning, everything. Hello, guys. Tinitignan ko lang sa Indegarota yun. I think pauwiin ko na to. Tika mo na. Okay. Pauwi na. Kasi naguluhan na si Roxy at saka si Misty. Si Tami, inayos lang niya yung guys, hagdan. Kasi yung hagdan talaga, guys, si Misty palaging namudmud. Nabunbun yung simud. Namudmud yung simud. Kasi sanay na sila nga may stairs doon, dalawa. So, tatalon sila. Akala nila andun pa. So, si Misty lagi yung mukha niya na ganun sa simento. Ako din, muntik na nabali yung ko kahapon ba yun? Kanina. Muntik na nabali yung pa ako. Yung pa ako kasi nakalimutan ko na wala na pala. Ang new stairs pala is nasira. Pupunta yung kapatid ni Tami dito, yung bunso, yung asawa at yung anak nila. Punta sila dito. Bibili daw sila ng baril. So, itong si Tami, bibili daw. So, tingnan natin. Sabi ko, my God, ang mahal ng baril. Ngayon, guys, sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya, magbibili-bili siya ng baril. Kasi, dahil sa mga pangyayari ngayon, hold on. Ito yung story, bakit bibili si Tami ng baril. Yung kapatid niya, may mga baril naman sila, pero gusto niya atang bumili ng iba pa. Si Tami, wala kaming ganon kasi ayaw ko. Meron naman siya yung mga old So yan, ang mangyayari, yan, bibili daw siya. Ang takot ako guys, at saka mahal. As an ang mahal. So, samahan natin sila. Hopefully, yeah, samahan natin sila. Kasi, yun, punta daw sila dito para lang bibili ng baril. Anyway, so, samahan nyo na lang kami guys, mamaya. Hindi ito yung, ano, mag-order din ako online guys. And then, hinihintay ko din yung, ano, nag-order ako para kay Mira, para sa anak niya. So, ako na lang yung nag-order. Sabi ko, bigyan mo na lang ako ng ano, yung kung magkano yung in-order ko. Kasi, yung anak niya, di ba yung bata, si Max, gustong mag-ano, gusto talagang mag-YouTube. Pero, gustong matuto ng bata. So, sabi ko kay Mira, ito, bilhin mo na lang ito, oh. So, hindi siya mahal. Sports camera lang naman siya. Hindi siya GoPro, pero sports camera siya. Ibang pangalan. So, binili ni Mira, and then sabi ko, naisip ko, siya sana mag-order, pero naisip ko, mahirap na kasi wala siyang account. I think lang naman. And then, meron din akong Prime. So, sabi ko, para 2 days shipping na, libre shipping. And then, 2 days darating. So, ngayon darating. Hi guys. My husband said, do you wanna eat before they get here? I said, yes. And I said, go get me food. He said, go get your own food. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Yours, good.
Did you
Stare? Yeah.
fix? And it's not moving?
No, fine right now.
Okay, where's the doggies?
Well, Misty's here, and Roxy's outside.
I like to do like this, guys. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm vlogging and then if I'm with Tammy and I do like this for no. It's not even like. It's
Annoying? Oh, yes, it is.
No, it's probably, but my hand is automatic. Not even thinking about it, just automatic. Go over here or go over here. You should go po, no? You should go po. Nag-sweater ako, guys, kasi sa labas 66 degree. We're shooting, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. Yung nagsushoot na sila doon. I don't know. Bawal ba o illegal ba na ay? Iwan ko na lang sa kanila. I-open ko na to. Ito yung in-order ko for Mira. Ito siya. Oh, ang ganda. Ilagay ko to sa ano. I-message ko si Mira. Dalhin ko itong mamaya doon. Doon sila guys. Oh, sabi ko na takot ako sa ganito. Oh. I-message ko si Mira. Dalhin ko itong mamaya. Let's see kung andun sila sa bahay nila. Somebody shooting here.
MaryAnn wants to videotape.
No, I'm not.
In. In.
Stop farting, Thomas.
Rest your arm on the. Rest your arm. It'll be easier. Not the gun.
Breathe in before the shot. Slowly exhale. Relax your heart. No, not that fast. Nice and slow. Slow. Yeah,
You're
like,
making him
you're
laugh.
blowing.
Stop. Nice.
He couldn't top it.
Yeah, he did. Nice, Thomas.
Is it gonna kick Thomas? Is it going to kick?
It's a BB gun.
It's a BB gun. It's a pellet gun.
That's a big
There's
one.
no bullet, there's no powder, no nothing.
Yeah,
it's just air.
Show him what a pellet
It's a
is.
puff of air.
Not a bullet, it's a pellet. It's just a metal pellet. And
It's
air
really-
pushes it out.
It's not a bullet. There's no.
It's what every kid had.
It's a toy.
Every one of us had one.
Haven't you ever seen A Christmas Story?
No, that's not really a toy to me. That's a real can kill you.
No, it's not. It's a toy.
Huh?
It's a toy.
It's a
Yeah,
it's a gun made for shooting
It's got-
rabbits, shooting targets.
Small.
shooting-
You could hurt a squirrel and stuff with it, but you don't want to shoot an animal with a little.
No, I mean you just need to hurt them. You know, I don't want to shoot at 'em.
Well, if you shoot a bird, you kill it.
Oh, I did buy that to shoot the pigeons next to the roof. Every fucking one, there'd be like 6 of them.
What is that kind of
We
like?
had more holes in our
Scope.
screen
Scope?
from this gun. From him shooting the
like
squirrels.
it's like a binocular, and it's got a crosshair in it, so you know you're in. He don't mind me so much because he knows when other people are here, they don't like him around too much.
Yeah,
You don't mind me so much because he knows I give him food.
Because there was a little soda.
No, it's not gonna kill me.
No.
Yeah, try it without a bullet.
Okay.
Try it without a bullet.
You fell.
There's no bullets.
No, put a pellet in it.
Huh?
Yeah, put a pellet in
Put
there.
one.
And she can see if she can't hit the can. Let's see.
Do it properly, Han. So I'm just gonna shoot, okay? And how are you gonna use it?
All right, you put the gun,
Okay.
never point it at anyone.
Okay. And
Number
then
one.
This here.
This here, then you don't put your eye on the scope. You keep it back a little bit.
Is this recording?
And you'll see it nice and clear.
Huh?
All right? Don't put your finger near the trigger first. Get the feel for it. Look through the scope. Okay, then you see the can. When you're ready, put your finger on and squeeze it.
So it's gonna be off.
Thomas, don't laugh at me, okay?
Thomas, you can laugh at her. It's okay.
What is this?
All right.
Now-
just get used,
okay.
get
And
used to it.
when you
before
look through
put
the
your finger
scope,
on
you see
trigger.
you see the can in the scope, and you see the crosshairs.
And then just breathe slowly and pull it
Bit
back
off from
slowly.
what Thomas says.
No?
You miss.
No, you're close though. I saw it.
Oh, did you? I'm looking through here.
Right?
Huh?
It's very small.
There's
No, but you can see where it hits.
there's no
really?
kick to it.
Yeah,
There's no
I
sound
could
to
see
it.
like the dust,
That's so-
like the dirt. So I could see you were like this to
One
it.
more, Thomas. I can take another shot. I don't think I missed.
You want me to go check the can?
Yeah.
Go check it now.
They would stink.
Try ko guys og ano, pero ay nakakatakot man. Ay, takot ako sa mga ganun guys ay. Kasi iwan ko na lang, tawagan ko lang si Mira sandali. Kaya na lang. Anyway guys, I think maganda naman itong camera na to. May remote pa. May relo na remote. Bibili ako nito kapag uwi ako ng Pilipinas, bibili ako para dalhin ko sa ibigay ko sa kapatid ko. So, throwy daw ito. Dito daw sila maghanap ng ano. What's in here?
Knife.
Knife. Bibili daw si Tami ng baril. So, ngayon, baril-barilan kami ngayon. So, let's see. Oh, okay. Put your mask. Oh, look at that. Please do not enter without a face mask. Where are they? Oh, this is a wine thing over there. So what is this? You put what? Gas? No?
Huh?
Like that? Gas? No.
The chips.
Guys. Oh, honey. I like it. Oh. Will you fit in here?
No, but you will.
You will.
It's filled.
You don't have to stand up.
Oh, this is bigger.
Yeah.
Is this strong? Is this strong?
Well, ours is strong.
Huh? Yours?
We
You have
use
one?
it for a bathroom on the beach,
Oh, really?
and I
Really?
use it for a hunter blind of tree.
He got an 11.
May linya sila. Yan, ang daming tao bumibili pala dito.
Now I'm trying to think, is there anything I need?
Doon guys, hindi na ako papasok guys kasi parang mga lalaki lang naman doon. Oh, right here, oh. Honey, look.
Lord. Instead of using my bait, you use Lord. They're not as good.
May binili si Tami, ang binili niya is ano, ammo. Mga bala-bala. Guys, I like this for if we live close to the river. Look. Ang ganda niyan. I like it. We live close to the water. Yan, dito pa sila bumibili ng cocktail.
Yeah, and I was like,
Top selling Kershaw. They're the oh so sweets. They're so good. I spent $30 and I haven't had to replace this, and I use it every single day. And it's Chinese. As much as I like to buy American made, for a Chinese knife, that thing really.
I always found that the Chinese knives sharpen more. The American knives take a little more work to get them that sharp.
Yeah. I mean, of
But
course.
the blade holds a lot longer on the American knives.
Tapos na kami guys dito. So, uwi na kami. Pauwi na. Wala kaming nabili na baril. Kasi, wala. Ulan man ata
It's not gonna be dead center. No.
You shoot with your left eye?
No, right now.
Did you actually shoot with your left eye?
Or didn't I?
Where did you shoot for?
She'll tell you after, she'll tell you after you tell her where it is.
I don't know, but the guy's dog next door is limping around.
Oh, it was just a little bit low to the right, in the red.
Oh, it's in the red.
Thank you.
You keep shooting.
So yun, bahay kami. You what? You okay? You okay? Where you going? Where you going? Wait, come here. Where you going? You're afraid? Come over here. Come. Takot mo na, uy. Takot. What? Gusto nang umalis, oh. What? What? Misty? Come here. Mga takot ito sa mga baril. Pareha tayo, Rox. Nagmana ka sa mama? Ha? Sumunod. Look. Sumunod. Gusto kang ikaw magwiwi na lang dito, be. Ikaw na lang mag-ihi, be. Sige, be. Ikaw na lang mag-ihi, be. Sige, be. Mag-ihi ko. Come here, Misty. In. Ikaw, takot din. Come in. Come in. Oh my God. Come here. Come. Come to mama. Come here. Come. Oh my goodness. Okay, tayong tatlo dito, ha? Tatlo tayo, ha? Magwiwi, ha? Sige. Kahit mangihi si mama, andito ka. Tabi. Where you going? Mag-ihi ta dito. Na may kasama pa rin. At saka, nagbablog pa talaga ako. Ito yung mga kaganapan. Snaking on me. You bring the gun here without even telling me. That's really not good. Hi guys, do you need something?
What I should have did was I should have at least brought the gun rack.
Do you have one
There's one.
in your Rochelle?
Yeah. You know, you really want a gun safe, but at least a rack to hang them on. What
They
is
left.
the thing?
They left already, and they don't find any gun. I mean, there's a lot of gun. I don't even vlog over there, guys, because
She was afraid somebody would shoot her.
yeah, people would say, "Oops, it's illegal to vlog here. This is a gun
Not
area."
illegal to vlog. Gun stuff.
Yeah, but I just avoid it. So I kind of doesn't. There's a lot of guns. There's a lot of tiny guns that I like, but I don't like guns, okay? But I like the look of it because I've been playing, you know. Be careful, Tommy.
She shoot me in a minute.
No, I won't do
And
that.
then she said, "Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh no, I'm don't even.
Bad. I just bad, but I really love you. I'm sorry I killed you. But I really do love you.
Oh, don't see that.
It's just my temper."
I just don't like guns, hon. What if the demon will attack in your head, honey? Okay. What if the demon go into your head?
What?
Yeah, and then shoot me, honey. Please, hon.
The demon in my head and shoot you? What?
Yeah, what if the demon come to you like, oh, Tommy, and then you won't know, like the supernatural thing, Winchester, and then suddenly there is a demon inside of them.
And why couldn't the demon come and stab you?
No, and use you to shoot me.
Well, give her, but why couldn't the demon come in my head and I can hit you with a stick? Or
You did. You did it, Prox. No, I don't want you to keep that. Please, Tommy? Honey?
Huh? Knock it off.
No. This
Huh?
is, this
Yeah.
is, no. This is throwable, Tommy. Like, what's the point of you buying? Which one you want? Keep this one or throw it out? Pick one. Pick one.
I want to be able to, like,
No, pick one. I will throw that one or keep this.
knock it off.
This is nicer, right? This is nicer. Right? And lighter.
Put it down and put down the camera.
You know what, honey? I will throw that when you're not around. The same thing. Itong asawa ko talaga, no? Kinikip na lang lahat. Hello guys. So ngayon guys, nanonood na naman kami ng show. Katapos lang namin masakit yung ano ko. Masakit yung likuran ko. Masakit. Look at her. Look at him.
I called you. I went to the thing. I shook the trees on the stairs and you just ignored me.
Auntie Dodo, what's gonna happen now?
Did it come down?
You want to go down now? Look at him. He give you kisses. We're going to get night-night, guys. Katatapos lang namin nanonood ng ng show na pinapanood namin. Oh my goodness. Seriously. Seriously, you're too spoiled, you know? This
is our new gate.
Careful, please.
No climbing now.
No climbing over there, little boy.
Mama could close the gate.
Oh my goodness. Oh. We're gonna go to bed, but before we go to bed, bigyan sila ng pagkain. Salamat guys sa panonood ng mga vlog natin.
Bye guys.
Good night guys. See you guys tomorrow. Magbihis na daw siya guys. Uy, take this. Magbihis na daw siya. Good night guys. Good night. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Good night.